What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I am really super excited. I don't normally come in totally unprepared like this with a completely sealed up box, but this one excites me. I just got this box in priority mail from GearAmerica. How do I know that? Because it's got the return address and it's got GearAmerica tape all over it. I haven't even cut the tape on it yet because I am so excited. I wanted to do this with you guys, so I'm going to gently cut this tape and share with you what is inside this box. This is super exciting. And while I'm digging into it, I want to congratulate GearAmerica for making that next step in going global and moving north of the border up into Canada. That's right, they've got a new .ca website. So all your people in the Great White North, if you want that GearAmerica gear, head over to the link I'll put down below. So let's take a look and see what's inside this box. I've got a GearAmerica bag here and a second GearAmerica bag here. So don't need the box. All right, here's what I've got. We're going to start with the small one. So this is GearAmerica's brand new soft shackle. If you guys aren't familiar with soft shackles, this is actually an alternative to a D-ring. So it's got a self-closing loop. This is 1/2-inch synthetic rope. The benefit of that is it won't snap like steel, but it's still strong. This thing has a 45,000 pound braking strength on it. This is made in the USA. It's just, like I said, safer than steel. It's strong as heck. It's got this nice, easy closing loop on it. You know, no pins to deal with. It's high visibility. If it gets in the mud and the water, no problem. You know what? This thing floats. So you've got your protective sleeve. You've got your synthetic line. Basically what this does is you've got this loop that opens up like this. You can push the big knot through it. You can loop into a toe strap or anything else. Put this back through the loop and get it a squeeze. It's a self-tightening loop there, and you've got 45,000 pounds of pulling power there, of braking strength. So that's a heck of a way to go. Soft shackles, lightweight. Like I said, it floats, it's high vis, comes with its own little bag, and guess what else it comes with? Lifetime warranty. So that is the brand new GearAmerica soft shackle. And hey, let's move on to the big bag. Got another carry bag here. I wasn't prepared to untie knots or anything like that, but here we go. This is actually one of those little backpack bags, so if you need to lug it a long distance. All right, and inside this GearAmerica bag is the brand new Kinetic strap from GearAmerica. What's a Kinetic strap? Well, let me tell you. What this does is it has a 28,500 pound braking strength, but it actually carries kinetic energy in it. So instead of just having a regular tow strap, you hook this up to a stuck vehicle. Say you're deep in the sand, or maybe you're out with somebody who doesn't have a winch or something like that. These Kinetic straps store a ton of kinetic energy, and I'm sorry as I fumble through this, but like I said, we're all in this together. So what this does, got a nice little nylon coating there. All right, so what this does, this has a certain amount of stretch to it. So say you've got your 4,500 pound Jeep, your 6,000 pound Land Cruiser, whatever it is, and it is stuck axles deep in sand. You're on the beach, you're in the desert, you don't have an anchor point to winch from. So you've got your buddy. What your buddy does, he grabs his rig, hooks this up to a frame mounted tow point, hooks it up to your frame mounted tow point, and gets a little bit of a running start at it. And what it does, it actually has a bit of a stretch to it. And it uses kinetic energy to just yank you right out of your stuck position. So this sucker is 7/8 inch. It's urethane coated synthetic rope here. It's 30 feet long. And like I said, 28,500 pound braking strength. So if you've got, you know, a couple of 6,000 pound rigs that stuck, you're gonna have a hard time breaking it. Uses that recoil effect. Boing, you know, it's almost like with the lack of a better term, like a bungee cord. You know, it's not stretchy like a bungee cord, but you put enough weight into it and it's gonna have a little bit of give and give that extra little bit of weight back. This is military grade synthetic rope here. Like I said, it's got a urethane coating on it, so it's nice and smooth and it's protected from the sun, all that stuff. Got protective sleeves on both ends. Let me see if I can uncoil this bad boy a little bit. There we go. So you've got your protective sleeves on both ends. And once again, as with everything with GearAmerica, hassle-free lifetime warranty on this. So that's what I got surprised with today. These are brand new. So we've got our brand new GearAmerica Kinetic rope and our brand new GearAmerica soft shackles.